In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Google stocks using Kraken. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. So Kraken has released their xStocks a few months ago, and if you don't know what xStocks are, they are basically just like real life stocks, but they are digital tokens on the blockchain that will represent the price of the real life stock on the market. So all you need to do to start buying those stocks is go to explore right here and you will find crypto and xStocks. So if you click right here, you should find the stocks of all the known companies like Nvidia, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and much more. And right here is where we can buy those stocks, just like the real life market. So firstly, if you don't have money, you need to click on transfer, deposit, and then select how you want to deposit. So you can select cash, for example, and then click euro or any currency you use. It can be dollars, pounds, or whatever you are using on your country. Click here and select between the different payment methods, so you can deposit through bank transfer or PayPal, and depending on your country you might see different payment methods. And you can also deposit through crypto using any crypto. As you can see, the list is huge right here. So after you have money on your wallet, just select the Google company right here, or you can also search for it at this search bar at the top. So this is what we are looking for. This is Alphabet. So click here, and right here you can see all the details. This is just like the real stock, and if you want to buy it, just put buy right here, select how much you want to buy, so it can be any amount you want, and select how you want to pay. So in my case, I don't have any money on my wallet right now, so this is why I can only pay with bank transfer or credit card. I can also deposit cash as I showed you earlier. And just like that, you just need to review and buy this stock. Click on confirm and you will get your stock on your portfolio. So in my case, I'm not going to do it because I don't want to buy those stocks, but you should find your stock right here at your balances. You should find cryptocurrencies, and then you also have cash. So then whenever you want to sell this stock, you just need to click on sell and then put Google right here or Alphabet. In this case, I don't have any Google to sell, any stock, but just put in the amount you want to sell, or you can click this button to sell all your stocks. Click on review and you will automatically get cash for your stocks. So with that cash, you can click on transfer, withdraw, and get a bank transfer on your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can buy and sell Alphabet stocks on Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.